The reason I chose Guardian, I don't always go for the lowest bid, but Guardian worked really well with me. They always answered my questions really quick. Another company that I was going to go with just stopped responding. So I continued on with Guardian, and Guardian just answered quickly. They got back to me with all my questions. They were very courteous. They put tarps and everything down everywhere around so that any debris that fell. And also I came in just as they were finishing, and they were rolling along a big magnet thing everywhere, just trying to make sure that no nails were left over. They went inside my garage and cleaned up. A little debris always falls, because they had to take some of the boards off, and so debris falls in the garage, and they went and took care of that. Yeah, I just thought it was a great experience altogether. I went and looked today after a few weeks, and beautiful under there, no leaks. The rooftop looks wonderful. They did a really good job. It was better than what I had done before, because I had this garage replaced before, and this was a better job than was done before when it was new.